Jamie Leye Surtіझ or the Lady Nadеn Guezt is an eminent actress as well as a renowned author who had rolled into the silver screen in the year 1978 with her debut role in the blockbuster film of Halloween. Owing to the unbelievable success, Jammy had soon hit the limelight in the horror genre and was soon cast in a series of notable films such as The Fog in 1980, Halloween 2 in the year 1981, Rrom Nіght is 1980, Terror Train in the same year 1980 and Road Games once again in 1981. The American-based actress was soon named the Scream Queen by her followers and fans. Early life. Jamie Leye Surtіझ was born on the 22nd of November in the year 1958 to parents Janet and Tori Surtіझ in Santa Monica region of California. Jammy had attained education from the prestigious Harvard Westlake School, Hanford, which she had shifted to Coyote Rosemary Hall. She had completed her graduation from the well-known University of the Pacific, Stockton, in California. However, she had quit studies to enter into the world of acting. Age, height and weight. Being born on 22 November 1958, Jamie Leye Surtіझ is 63 years old as of today's date, 18th January 2022. Her height is 1.7 meter tall and her weight is 58 kg. Career. After beginning a graduate role in the her debut film Halloween in the year 1978, Jammy had always managed to shine like a star on the silver screen. "20 years Han ko fourth Halloween H20 20 years later as well as Halloween Resurrection was also released due to her recommendation. Jammy had also voiced in the following release of Halloween 3 Season of the Witch, all of which had accredited her with sheer success, awards and achievements. The exceptional American actress Jammy has been honored with several awards and appreciations. Jammy was graced with the Jupiter Award in 1985, Cognac Festival du Film Policier in 1990, People's Choice Award USA in 1990, Meist Fist in 1990, American Comedy Award USA in 1995. Golden Globes in 1995, Walk of Fame Award in 1998. Hashtag Pudding Theatricals USA in 2000 and Behind the Voice Award in 2014. Net worth and salary. Jamie Lee Curtis has been an exceptional actress as well as a versatile human being. She has not just excelled as an actress but also has emerged as a beautiful writer. Her mark is quite prominent in the social working field also. Hence, the exceptional journey and sheer perseverance have eventually led to the net worth of Jamie Lee Curtis to be approximately $70 million as of January 2022. Beginning unprecedented success from her debut film Halloween, Jamie has come a long way. With a flourishing career in her history, she has also emerged as a very humble person. Jamie is married to Christopher Guest in the year 1984, and the duo is also blessed with 2 children. Jamie is also a fan of World of Warcraft.